So I made two types of buckwheat porridge recipes, a melon and almond butter buckwheat porridge and a raspberry curd buckwheat porridge. The question is, did I like them? Well, before we start and before I share that with you, let's make some coffee as I really need one. Ready? Hello guys, I'm Christina, I love buckwheat and I have shared a couple of delicious recipes on my channel. A buckwheat stir fry recipe and a couple of buckwheat salads. However, I have seen people using buckwheat groats in porridge recipes and I got curious. So after watching a few ones, I decided to experiment with two recipes, a melon and almond butter buckwheat porridge and a raspberry curd buckwheat porridge. For the melon and almond butter recipe, I soaked the groats for a couple of hours in water and then cooked them as I would with oats, with almond milk and almond butter. Then I blended the cooked buckwheat groats with melon and topped the results with various nuts, dark chocolate and more melon. For the raspberry curd buckwheat porridge, I decided not to cook the buckwheat groats. Instead, I added milk, buckwheat, curd, chia seeds, almond butter, spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, and a raspberry into a blender. I blended in high speed all the ingredients, topped it up with some of my favorite ingredients. After making the recipes, I was really looking forward to tasting them. But these were a massive fail. Yeah! I even tried convincing myself that they must taste better, but I just could not eat them. My mom and my boyfriend tried them as well and they said they were okay. I just could not get myself to buck them up though. I got really sad as I used some great ingredients and I had done a lot of preparation and the videos I saw online showed some great results. Like my boyfriend said, at least I know what I don't like, and he's so right. We're different people with different taste buds. I really like buckwheat, but in different forms and not as a porridge. And I guess it is okay not to turn everything into a porridge to enjoy. The point of this channel is to provide delicious and nutritious recipes that we love and want to make over and over again. A buckwheat porridge made the way shown does not fall into that category, or at least not now, or not with these recipes. But before I leave you, I would like to say something. I have been living a healthier lifestyle for about 5 years now, and I have failed many times, especially when it comes to recipes. I had so many not working out or taking too long to prepare, but it's all okay because all that is part of a journey, and a journey would be boring if some things did not go wrong. So what I actually wanted to say is to enjoy the journey you're on, a relationship, a healthier lifestyle, a new career, weight loss journey, or whatever it may be for you, and be okay with not everything going right. Just keep your eyes on the result you want to get and you cannot go wrong. And although I did not enjoy these recipes, I did learn something about buckwheat. And that is that I don't need to cook buckwheat all the time. I can soak it and it turns edible in just a few hours. So I can soak it overnight and in the morning add it in salads. Hey, that's a good information. I know that the recipes this week did not work out, but there are so many more that did and are on my channel. And if you enjoyed the message of this week, hit the like button. And if you are new around here, enjoy delicious healthy recipes and lifestyle tips, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are live. By the way, in the description of this video, you can grab my free snack guide and my free ebook on what makes us healthy and happy, which is based on scientific research. And if you'd like to receive a weekly dose of delicious content, then feel free to subscribe to my newsletter as well. See you in the next episode, guys.